Hey, what's up, broskies? We're back at the shop. I've been here for like the past 2 hours already. I've adjusted the front coils already, tightened everything up in the front. This side is already done, and then the wheels, check it out. I spray painted one already. That shit looks dope, huh? Looks way better. Where's the other one? What's under? But they looked ugly, all black. I mean, you couldn't really tell. They just look plain black, so that's gonna be a nice touch for the car. The seat, I'm just waiting on the grinder. They're using it. I just gotta shave this little bolt down so I can lower the seat a little bit, because it's kind of high and my knees hit the steering wheel. So it's gonna be nice and adjusted for your boy. Check it out. We got some Little Caesars. How is it? You like it? ¿Sabe igual que la de allá o no? No, just the same, huh? Oh yeah, check it out the shop. They work on, they do a lot of road racing. Check out that Ford Falcon. They have a Beamer right there. This sick ass truck. Oh yeah. Oh, and then I bought some oil. We're gonna do an oil change on it. Right there. Well, that's it. Check the fluids and we should be good to go. So, and then mount the tires, do alignment, and then after that, we have a driver's fucking party or something at a bar. So that's till later though. So I'm gonna hurry up and finish so we can go home, shower, and then go to that party. I'll vlog for you guys over there. Alright, broski, so quick update. The seat is fixed. I think I went like 8 inches forward, and then I lowered it like 2 inches. I drained the oil already. I'm gonna get ready to put that new Super Mobile.
Yeah. This one has to take zero.
You're gonna put it on?
Yeah.
You're gonna help me?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I should be pretty much done. I fixed the fenders. They were all fucking loose. What else? Oh, and then I finished painting the wheels. Let me show them to you guys. They look pretty good. Check them out. What do you guys think? It's gonna look way different, way better.
Yeah.
It's gonna look like I have wheels now. And then after that, I just gotta put some motor. After that, I gotta put some water and then just clean the engine. And that's it. Should be good. Fuck it. Ready to send it. Alright, broskis. Check it out. We're done. Just finished installing the tires. The car's on the floor. That shit looks fucking dope, huh? Check it out. I didn't get to paint this wheel right here, but fuck it, we'll do it tomorrow. Right now, we're gonna hurry up and go to another shop and get it aligned, and that's it. So, I'll see you guys over there. Broskies! Shit, that shit was like a mile away, but fuck, we have no wipers, and fucking car still is acting up. So, I mean, this car specifically, fucking drives good, but you gotta be fucking like stepping on it hard. If you try to cruise it, like since it's running too rich, it'll just like bog out. So we're here at the alignment shop. We're gonna get it aligned and fucking head back to the shop, leave it there, and then tomorrow morning I think we're gonna pick it up with the tow truck. Check out this sick ass Datsun. Check out this 610. Oh, wait. Check it out. Sick ass Datsun. Sick. Sick ass Pi 3. 5.3, ¿verdad? 7. 5.7.
De por ver.
Sick.
95, 96.
Chingón. Check it out, broskies. They just finished doing the front. Now we're gonna do the rear. ¿Qué onda?
Tiene 2 grados.
¿Tiene 2 grados? ¿Positivo?
Negativo.
Negativo. Check it out, broskies, we're done. Ya quedó la lineada. Gracias aquí a los compas de Tunes. ¿Qué onda? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Alonso.
Alonso, gracias Alonso. ¿Qué onda? ¿Tú quién eres?
Soy Damián, pero me llaman Wikipedia.
Wikipedia. ¿Qué onda? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Javier Campos.
Javier Campos. Estos son los compas que se aventaron la alineación del carrillo. A ver cómo queda el güey o mañana. Ya estamos listos. ¿Tú cómo te llamas?
Isaac.
Isaac. Ahí está. Vamos a guardarlo y ya. Nos vamos a dormir para mañana descansar y a darle. Alright, broski, sorry if this was like a short video, but the car is already at the shop. Yeah, what? Why you keep saying yeah? Check out the car. Looks dope with the wheels on. Zero camber, zero tow. Fuck that shit. It runs straight. We're good. Seat is fixed. Battery is fucking tied down. Suspension is to my specs, according to my specs. So I'm gonna go home. I'm fucking tired. Shower, and then rest for tomorrow. We didn't get to go to the party, but fuck it. I think it's worth it, you know, that I stayed over here and finished the car. So finally, you know, we finished the car, technically, or whatever. But yeah, car is ready to go. I have some shitty tires in the back, but probably I'll take another pair of tire, or I think I have like 4 more spares. So tomorrow in the morning we'll get them mounted and we'll head to the track and just practice with those shitty tires. Baby, what are you saying, bro? What are you saying? Vámonos. Alright, broskies, again, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, this probably was a short ass video, but thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Oh, and go to Emilia Hartford's videos and tell her that you guys come from the broskies. Go show her some love, because she's been showing love to our channel. And welcome to all the E crew members. My name is Philly, and this is my life. All right.